Back to my channel Success Engineering Official. So you see this in the last tutorials we have done this for this project. We have created the schedule, okay, and you can see we have already created the schedule and U value for the wall and roof, okay. Now we have to create the window. So go to this project library and window. Then you can see here, double click on default window, and then you can see here in this technical manager there are two windows here. One is GL10, another one is GL4. Okay, so how to find the height of this window? Let me open the window schedule. See the door schedule, and this is the window schedule. So let us find our window, which is GL4 and GL10. So GL4 here, the height is 3.9 and width is 5.25 feet. So just enter here in the feet. Height is 3.94 and width is 5.25. 5.25. Okay, and then here GL04. Click OK. The next is GL10, so 5 and 9.18. Here 9.18 and 3.94. So GL10, create it or just duplicate this. Okay, and rename this GL10, and height is 9.8 and width is 3.94. Height is 9.8, width is 3.94. Click OK. GL4 3.94 and 5.25. So let us verify again. GL4 3.94, height and width is 5.25. Okay. So these two window already created. And the next window is here GL10 again and GL11. So let us create all the window first. So here GL11. Okay, similarly if we have to create GL11, look for the size here, which is 7.87 height, 7.87 feet, and width is 3.94. Same. Okay. Next window is GL10 we have created. Then next here GL2. So GL2, again duplicate this and rename this GL2, and the size is 3.94, 7.22, 3.94, 7.22. Click OK. Then next window is GL10 11 already created. GL4 is created also. Here is GL2 created. Then GL5, GL5 and 6. So duplicate this, rename this GL05. Okay, let us check the height and width. Here 1.96, 1.96. The same square window, so 1.96, and here is 1.96 again. Click OK. The next is GL6. Duplicate and rename this GL. 06. Okay, and check the size here, 3.94 by 3.94. 3.94. Click OK. Okay, next is create also GL1 again here. GL1. Check the size, 23.6, 24.27. 23.6. Here 24.27. Okay, click OK. Then next is your 5, 1, 2, 3. So window 3 create again here, window 3, which is ZL3, and size is 7.2 to 9.18. 7.2 to 9.18. Click OK. Then next is 4, 5, 6. Then next 9. Window 9 is missing here. So let us create the 9. So which is called GL9, and the size is 9.18. 9.18 feet, then 3.94 feet. Click OK. So all window we have created here. Okay, then we have to, the next is already we have created all the windows. Then we have to create the door as well, outside door, which is here FED. One door here and one door here. Okay, and this is one door here. So let us create the door as well. Let me open the door schedule. So this is, here is your door schedule, FED here. Okay, so let us create the door. Double click here and door, which is called here FED. Okay, and the size is 2.2 2.2 meter by 1 meter. So here asking the gross area, that is 2.2 meter by 1 meter, 2.2 square meter. So here asking is in a square feet, so just multiply into 10.76. So 23.67 square feet, and the u value is zero point 0.3. Keep as it is. Okay, then click OK. So this is door, your door is created FED, outside door. And here is this double door, which is not showing here the number. Let me check the drawing for this door as well. So go to the door schedule, and I think this is the main door. I think this is the door AD1. So let us create this as well. Okay, so AD1, duplicate this AD1, and the size is 2.1 by 1.8. So 2.1 by 1.8, 3.78 square meter. So multiply into 10.76, you will get in a square feet. So 40.67 square feet. 40.67 square feet. Click OK. So we have created the doors and windows. So in the next tutorials we will directly start the creating here spaces. So I hope you guys learn how to create the doors and windows in actual practice. So be with me and keep watching my all the tutorials. So we will get the concept for the full concept for the designing and drafting for HVAC in real project. So thank you for watching my video. We will meet in the next tutorials, which will be the creating of all these spaces here. Space. Okay. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.